So the kit I'm going to be looking at is the electronic dice kit, and if we can just do a quick close-up so we can see what's going on with this one. What we've got here is a board that's nicely spaced out, 7 LEDs, and they're controlled by a pre-programmed PIC microcontroller. And if this focuses, we'll be on a winner. There we go. So what we've got, when you power it up, there's a little test sequence that runs through, and it just puts the various LEDs on in sequence, just so that we know that all the LEDs are working. And then when you push the button down, flashes the LEDs, and as soon as you release it, you get a random number. It's relatively straightforward to assemble. All the resistors here are all the same value, all the LEDs are the same LED. You just need to be careful to get them in the right way around. And then the little PIC microcontroller chip here, that one's already been pre-programmed, so you don't need to worry about that. And then there's just a little tack switch to trigger it. So it's a fairly straightforward kit. You'll notice there that the LEDs have just gone off. That's the 30 seconds auto off function, and that's now taking no power at all, so that you can leave it turned on without worrying about the batteries going flat. So that's the board itself. Just thought it was useful to see that. But really, what we're really interested in is seeing that in actual product. And here we've got a magnetic travel game. And on this, if I just tip it up momentarily, you'll see that the counters do stick to that. And what we've done here, the dice module that we were looking at a moment ago has been bolted into the back of here, and then we've got the batteries there. So on this, when you press the button, same thing happens. The lights light, and we get a random number each time. But the nice thing about this, as well as it introducing electronics into the scheme of work, we've also got a bit of graphics here, and obviously the resistant materials of making the game. So it does mean that the dice becomes a more all-rounded item. If you are interested in the dice, then we do obviously offer a free sample service on that. That's available to anybody at school. All you need to know on that is the stock code for the dice, 2109, and if you go onto the services samples on the website, you're able to request one of those. So